Alright, look, go to settings, go to apps, go to the Google Play Store, and manage Android preferences. It's going to be really easy. You basically have the settings page of your phone. Like on the setting page, it like considers your Chromebook to be a phone, so it really doesn't matter. You can do whatever you want to do. You basically also have like Google settings here, so you can like get your security codes, like your offline security codes, and like rename your device from here and like do whatever. So yeah, this is how you get it, and I'm done. And yeah, you can go now. I guess if you're still here, I don't know what to tell you, but this took 4 tries somehow, and like the last try was also like perfect, but I forgot to say subscribe. So hey, subscribe for more. Bye bye. See ya.